Hey everybody on YouTube, thank you so much for helping me get my white beard across the 10,000 subscribers. We did that in 3 days. That was absolutely incredible. So I'm here a day before my birthday, so that's a very nice birthday gift for all of you guys. Thank you very much. I'm here today with my buddy Andy Harrington, who's regarded as one of the top peak performance coaches in the United Kingdom. We've been friends for probably 20 odd years, I suppose, these days. And we're here skiing a little bit just before the birthday, so I just wanted to say thank you to everybody. Andy, if you could give my team, you coach people all over the world, from peak performance athletes to investment bankers to traders to all sorts. What little gem or little nugget of wisdom? I like to try and give a few nuggets of wisdom to my YouTube channel. So what if you could give them a little nugget of wisdom on this little chilly day here in the French Alps?
Sure. Well, recent studies show there's actually three brains we've got. You've got your neocortex, your limbic system, and also your cerebellum. And so think of this, your neocortex like the CEO or symphony leader of your brain.
Yeah.
Think of your limbic system like your emotional or chemical brain, and the third brain, your cerebellum, think of as your identity brain. So the whole thing really is down to identity. What you've got to do is work so diligently hard and keep on making the associations and link them to good emotions so that eventually it becomes a new identity for you to be, in Greg's case, a good trader of the Forex markets. Because once you have the identity, then it's not hard work anymore. It becomes easier and simpler to do so. So
what do you do? Break down the elements of that identity and then associate them with yourself? Is that your idea?
Yeah, so first thing you've got to do is, there's good studies now show that, the more concentrated effort you have on something, the more it becomes more automatic. So people got to stick with it because they don't often stick with it long enough. But then when they're doing it, they've got to associate positive emotions to doing it at the same time. So you move towards that, it becomes a new identity for yourself. Conversely, so of course, you mustn't ever trade the markets when you are in a bad emotional state or chasing the markets. That's probably time to have a rest and go and do something else. Change your focus, sort out the stuff going on in your life. Don't chase the money, I guess.
Yeah, great advice. Andy, thank you very much. Everybody out there, thanks again for the 10,000. It's bye from me for a couple of days as I'm having my birthday on the slopes with this guy, his wife, and my missus. There you go. See you later, YouTube. Thanks again. Cheers.